Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to use lava beads. Now, if you're asking yourself, what are lava beads? Well, you're looking at them. The photo on the screen is actually myself with a handful of lava beads. These are typically added into jewelry and are paired with essential oils. Lava beads are really porous, so they're able to hold onto the scent of the essential oil and diffuse it for multiple days. Like I said, these most of the time are incorporated into jewelry, but they've also been seen to be added into other pieces as well, so people are able to wear or maybe carry on their backpack or have in their car. One of their favorite scents without having to directly put it on your skin, whereas you would with a perfume or cologne. So here are a few of my favorite essential oils that I like to use. So to get the essential oil onto your lava bead, it's actually pretty simple. All you do is grab your essential oil, take off the top, and put 1 to 2 drops. Now you can see in the bracelet I'm wearing that I have more than one lava bead. You absolutely do not need to put oil onto all of your lava beads. Just pick one and really put 1 drop. The oils are very potent and a little bit goes a long way. Now, if you're in the market for all things essential oil or just anything with a more professional feel, I do want to show you guys our sister brand, Laura Janelle. They have a whole line dedicated to essential oils and jewelry and just all the ways that you can use the lava beads. So as you can see here, they sell bracelets and necklaces and earrings, and you can get matching sets if you want. So really just great ways to implement them into your daily life or maybe give them as a gift and have that more professional feel as opposed to that DIY. You can also go ahead and buy the oils right here. Now, if these look familiar, it's actually because they are the ones that I used in this video. So everything you need is right here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.